I can use subtraction to solve math stories using pictures. Here's my first story. I borrowed 7 books from the library, and on the way home, I gave some to a friend. Will my backpack have more or fewer than 7 books? It will have fewer. I had 7 and gave some away. Fewer means less. Now, let's listen to that same story again and draw a number bond to go with the story. I borrowed 7 books from the library. On the way home, I gave some to a friend. Now I have 5 books in my backpack. How many books did I give to a friend? Let's start with a picture. I borrowed 7 books from the library. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the total number of books that I have. I'm going to write a B next to that to show that those are the books I borrowed. On the way home, I gave some to a friend. This is a mystery number. Now I have 5 books in my backpack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to write L for left. I have 5 books left in my backpack. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are still in my backpack. So the other 2 must be the number of books that I gave to a friend. 1, 2. Now I'm going to write a number bond to match my picture. 7 books I borrowed from the library. 5 are still in my backpack, and 2 I gave to a friend. Next, let's write a number sentence. There are 7 books borrowed from the library. On the way home, I gave some to a friend. Now I have 5 books left in my backpack. I gave 2 away. Let's cross off the 2 over here to show that that's how many I gave away. Let's listen to another story. Hansel and Gretel have a bag with 8 pieces of bread in it. They drop some on their path and have 3 pieces remaining. How many did they drop? Let's start with drawing a picture. Hansel and Gretel have 8 pieces of bread. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They drop some on their path, that's our mystery number, and have 3 pieces remaining. 3 pieces are still in their bag, so they must have dropped this many. Now let's write a number bond to go with our picture. Our total is 8 pieces of bread. They didn't have more than 8, only 8 were in their bag. They dropped some, and now they have 3 remaining. They must have dropped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, because a 5 and a 3 make an 8. Now let's write a subtraction sentence to go with the story. They had 8 pieces of bread. They dropped some. We're going to draw a line to show that was the mystery number. And now they have 3 pieces remaining. When we look at our number bond, we see that the 5 and a 3 make an 8. So they dropped 5 pieces. Now let's look down at the sentence. They dropped blank pieces of bread. Our picture shows that they dropped 5 pieces of bread. Let's listen to another story. 9 kids were playing hide and seek. Some went to hide. 4 kids did not hide and can still be seen. How many kids hid? Let's start by drawing a picture. 9 kids were playing hide and go seek. 9 is the total number of kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Some went to hide. 4 kids did not hide and can still be seen. So the rest must be the number of kids that hid. Let's write a number bond. 9 kids were playing hide and go seek. Some went to hide. That's our mystery number. 4 kids did not hide and can still be seen. Let's count to see how many kids are hiding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 kids are hiding. Now let's write a number sentence to go with the story. 9 kids were playing hide and go seek. Some went to hide. So we're going to take away some. This is our mystery number. But there are 4 kids that did not hide and can still be seen. When we look at our picture, we can see that 5 of the kids went hiding. Here's a new story. We caught 9 fireflies in a jar. Some flew away. Now there are 6 left in the jar. How many flew away? Let's draw a picture. We caught 9 fireflies. Nine is the total number of fireflies. But some flew away. That's our mystery number. Now there are 6 left in the jar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are left in the jar. How many flew away? 1, 2, 3 flew away. Let's write a number bond. 9 is the total number. It's the biggest number. Some flew away. We saw that 3 flew away from our picture. And the rest are still in the jar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Now we know that 3, 6, and 9 are related. Let's write a subtraction sentence to go with the story. There were 9 fireflies that we caught in a jar, but some flew away. Now, there are 6 left in the jar. When we look at our number bond, we can see that we use the 9 and the 6. Now we can add the 3 of how many flew away. Let's look at our statement. It says blank fireflies flew away. We know that 3 fireflies flew away. Now let's complete number 1 from your problem set. Kate made 7 cookies. Bill ate some. Now Kate has 5 cookies. How many cookies did Bill eat? Make a math drawing. Circle the part you know. Cross out the unknown part. Complete the number sentence and the number bond. Pause the video before you start number 2. On Monday, Tim had 8 pencils. On Tuesday, he lost some pencils. On Wednesday, he has 4 pencils. How many pencils did Tim lose? Draw a picture, write a number bond, number sentence, and fill in the statement. Pause the movie now before going on to the back. If you are done with numbers 1 and 2, you can flip over to the back of your paper to start number 3. Number 3 says, a store had 6 shirts on the rack. Now there are 2 shirts on the rack. How many shirts were sold? Draw a picture, number bond, number sentence, and don't forget to fill in the statement of how many shirts were sold. Pause the video so you can do this now. If you're done with number 3, you're ready for number 4. Number 4 says, there were 9 children at the park. Some children went inside. 5 children stayed. How many children went inside? Draw a picture, number bond, number sentence, and fill in the statement of how many children went inside.